Hi, I'm Buffy, and today I'm going to show you a natural and easy way to apply eyeshadow if you only have 5 to 10 minutes in the morning. I won't be using a lot of products because no one has time for that, and I'll be showing you just a way to make it fun. I love eyeshadows because they can add a pop of color to your day. They can enhance your own natural beauty. Don't be scared to use makeup because you feel like you can't do it like a pro, or because you feel like you've seen people do it on the videos and they're doing too many steps. What I'm trying to teach you is how to do it realistically, simply, and naturally so that you feel confident and in charge of your own beauty. First, to do eyeshadow the right way, you're going to need brushes and the right brushes. I recommend 3 different brushes. This is just a typical eyeshadow brush. It's round at the top, a blender brush. It's really fluffy at the top. This is a brush that you use for adding a darker color, adding accent, and it's a tighter brush at the top so you can really control it and put the color where you want it to go. Another thing I want you to do with the brush is practice holding a brush. You want to hold it in the middle of the brush and soft, with a soft touch. Practice blending and kind of painting on your hand. Next, the fun part, choosing colors. I like to use a big palette with a lot of colors because I like to change up my look depending on what I'm doing. Most days I wear just a very typical soft brown, taupey colors, natural. I don't want to scare anyone. So pick out 3 colors. One that's very light, maybe even lighter than your own skin tone, one that's medium, and one that's darker. I'm going to get really close here so you can see what I do. So first I'm choosing a light color and putting it on this brush, and then I'm going to put it in the inside corner of my eye lid. That's just a good flattering look. It opens up the inside of your eye and makes the lower lid look bigger. You don't have to be perfect with it. Just try to put the lighter shade on the inside lower corner of your eye. The second part is, and put the medium, I'm going to use a medium brown called Suede, right in your crease. So sometimes I open my eye and I feel my bone with the eyeshadow brush. That enhances and accentuates your brow bone to create even more of a crease, which helps your eye pop. Okay, the third shade, you take the smallest brush and dip it in some darker brown, and the dark shade goes in this corner towards the lash. So a lot more along the lash line, brushing in, flicking in towards the middle of your eyeball. Then take that blending brush and just blend, blend, blend. Hold the brush in the middle, flick the bristles back and forth. You can go brush up against that brow bone. You can blend up to the outer corner, just like you're smoothing over the whole look. There. Then you could put on a little mascara and eyeliner, and you're good to go for the day. So I hope you liked that quick tutorial. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You can choose whatever colors you like. As long as you blend and go for a natural look, you can play with color and feel confident knowing that it won't look too heavy and you won't look too made up. So let me know if you like this. Moms, give me a thumbs up if you did, and feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos like this. Easy, super simple, easy tips for makeup for moms like you. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.